In this example, I'm going to show you a second way of searching through a list, which is a little bit more complicated using more code, but gives us a little bit more flexibility. As you can see, I've started with the same code from the last example, and this time I'm going to use a new feature which gets the length of a list. So it works out how many items are in that list. So I'm going to call this length of cars. I'm going to equal to len cars. And what this little bit of code here is going to do is work out how many items are in this list, and it's going to return a number. So this is going to equal 4. What I'm then going to do is say for x in the range of length of cars, and what this is going to do is going to loop for the number of items in this list. So in this example again, it's going to be 4. If I was to add more on, it would loop more times. And what I'm then going to say is if cars input is equal, remember we use the double equal sign here, to cars x, and what this here is going to do is go to cars, and x is the item number in the list starting from 0. It's going to check this one here. If that's true, I'm going to print out that is my favorite car too. If not, it's going to print out I don't like that car. When I run this program, if I type in Ford, you can see it says that is my favorite car. I don't like that car. I don't like that car. I don't like that car. That is because it's looping every time, so it's always going to be checking this here. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to remove that bit of code there, run it, and I'm going to type in Ford, and it's only going to print it once. Because if it's not true, it's not going to run any code. If I was to run it and type in a car that's not in the list, you can see here it doesn't do anything.